Brake fluid 101, let's go. If you think you can get away with just topping it up forever, think again. Brake fluid should be changed every 2 years or so. Why? It's like a sponge. Over time, it soaks up too much moisture, gets dirty and gets worse at its job. When your fluid's gone to pot, you might find yourself pressing harder on the pedal with slower results. Worst case scenario, you could end up with total braking failure. A visual inspection can help. It should be clear with a bit of a tint like this. If it's dark or murky, it's past its prime. But the deciding factor is always going to be the boiling point, which your local mechanic should be checking every brake change or service. We've taken a sample and we're going to check with our boiling point tester. Over 200 is healthy. There's some leeway under 200 where it may not require immediate action, but under 180 is when it gets dangerous. Brake fluid packs a punch, so leave the change to a qualified mechanic.